Well, the story. Once upon a time, a scientist named Dr. Emily discovered a special organism called a slim mold in a forest. She realized that this slim mold could do amazing things like solving problems and finding its way through tricky places. Dr. Emily and other scientists studied the slim mold and found out that it could sense things around it and turn that information into electrical signals. They also learned that it could build pathways for information to flow, like roads, and solve math problems. People got really excited about the slim mold's abilities. They started using it to create special gadgets like smartwatches that can measure our heart rates and wires that connect things together automatically. Now, slim molds are helping us make our technology smarter and more helpful. They are like a new kind of computer that is alive and can do incredible things. We are entering an exciting time where slim molds and their special powers are changing the way we use computers and gadgets. Slim molds, nature's problem solvers and computing wonders. Did you know that even tiny organisms called slim molds or slime molds have the potential to shape the future of computing? These incredible creatures can do amazing things like navigate through complex terrains, build logical circuits, and solve tricky math problems. In this article, we will explore the world of slim molds and how they could revolutionize the way computers work. The unconventional organisms. Slim molds are unique organisms that don't fit the usual idea of intelligence. Even though they don't have brains like we do, they can still solve problems and adapt to their surroundings. Sensing and signals. Slim molds have a special talent for sensing things around them and turning that information into electrical signals. It's like they have their very own superpower to understand and react to what's happening in their environment. Exploring terrains. Imagine if you had a map and needed to find the best way from one place to another. Slim molds are experts at this. They can navigate through complex terrains, finding the most efficient paths, just like a GPS system in a car. Building logical circuits. Slim molds can even build their own versions of logical circuits. They can connect different parts of their bodies to create pathways for information flow. This is like building a system of roads or pathways that allow them to solve problems in a smart and efficient way. Solving math problems. Math can be tricky, but slim molds are up for the challenge. They are great at solving math problems that involve networks or connections. This skill can be useful for things like planning routes, optimizing networks, and even understanding social connections. The future of computing. Slim molds offer a whole new way of thinking about computing systems. Scientists are inspired by these organisms and are exploring how their problem-solving abilities can be used to create new and exciting technologies. By learning from nature, we might be able to create computers that are smarter and more efficient than ever before. So how they can transform everyday things? Living smartwatch. Imagine wearing a watch that is alive. Slim molds can be used to make a special kind of smartwatch that can measure your heart rate. Super sensing system. Slim molds have a unique talent for sensing things around them. Scientists are trying to create a nervous system, like the one we have in our bodies, using slim molds. This slim mold nervous system can help sense and understand different things, like temperature or light, just like our own senses. Amazing math processor. Slim molds can even help us with math. Scientists are using slim molds to build a special kind of computer processor called a morphological processor. It can do math problems that involve shapes and geometry. This processor uses the slim mold's special networks to solve these tricky math puzzles. Clever wires. Have you ever seen wires that connect different things together? Well, slim molds can help make these wires even smarter. Scientists are using slim mold tubes to create self-routing wires. These wires can find the best paths and connect different parts of a computer or electronic device all by themselves. Mind-blowing memory stores. Slim molds have another superpower. They can store and process information. Scientists are using slim mold electrical properties to create a special component called a memory store. This memory store can remember things and help process information just like our brains do. It's like having a slim mold brain inside a computer. Potential breakthroughs that could shape the future. Super-powered devices. Scientists are working on making special devices like a smartwatch even more amazing. They want to use slim molds to power these devices by turning the food they eat into electricity. This could lead to other devices that use living organisms to do cool things. Smart senses. Imagine having a super sensitive system that can understand the world around us just like our own senses. Scientists are studying slim molds to create a special system that can sense and process different things like temperature or light. It would help us interact with the world in really cool ways. Math magic. Slim molds can even help us with math. Scientists are using them to make special processors that can do really hard math problems, especially the ones that involve shapes and geometry. This can help us solve tricky math puzzles and make important calculations. Clever connections. Slim molds are inspiring scientists to create special wires that can connect things together all by themselves. These wires can find the best paths and connect different parts of a computer or electronic device automatically. It's like having super smart wires that know where to go. Incredible memory. Slim molds have a special power. They can remember things. Scientists are studying how they do it and using that knowledge to make special components called memory stores. These memory stores can store and process information just like our brains do. It's like having a brain inside a computer. In conclusion, slim molds hold incredible potential to revolutionize computing, and their fascinating abilities are paving the way for groundbreaking technologies. To stay updated on the latest developments and discoveries, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, and share this video with fellow enthusiasts.